I had kind of a chill morning. It's a Monday. I've just been making my schedule for the week, been writing a lot, writing for video ideas and planning, and just doing some like kind of admin stuff this morning. The landscapers for my property were here cutting down a bunch of things this morning, so it was very loud with their saws. Tomorrow we're doing something fun. We're going on a little getaway. I got invited to go to this kind of hotel remodel opening event kind of vibe for the night in Carlsbad. I've never been to Carlsbad, but it's on the way to San Diego. So I'm doing that. Scarlett's gonna come with me. We're gonna spend the night at a hotel. I'm very excited to just kind of get out for a second. I have not really been in a travel era of life at all, so any little trips are just, I'm welcoming in and are a blessing. So I'm excited for that. And then we're gonna kind of turn it into a surf thing on the way back, I think, and go to Sano for the day to surf on the way back on Wednesday. So I think that'll be a really fun time, and I'll be vlogging there. Today I'm just gonna pack and kind of get ready. Polka dots, you can't go wrong. This has been in my closet for so long. One of my all-time favorite tops. Duck mousse that I got off the RealReal a long time ago, and it's so cute and I love wearing it. And whenever I pull it out, I just am happy. Like that with my little white new pants that I've been wearing everywhere. One of the invites said like kind of like resort wear. So I'm gonna try to look nice. This wrap that I've had for so long that I always have trouble tying. It's this JPG wrap, but you can like kind of make it into dresses or skirt, like really good tie, like swimsuit cover up that I'm finally gonna wear and I'm gonna feel good in. Another piece of fabric I got at a thrift store for $1. Also polka dots. Probably bringing too much polka dots. This white blouse, really cute. I think will be really cute with these shorts, which you guys know I love. I got on Etsy a few years ago. I'll probably bring these along as well, maybe for the car ride. This is a really cute dress I got on Depop a long time ago. It's sheer on the bottom. There's kind of like a pool party thing, so I feel like this could be a good kind of swim cover up pool thing. I haven't worn this that much, but it is just so cute. This dress, which I've also had for a bit, is this really cute nightgowny doe-in dress that I got maybe a few summers ago. I think I'll bring this cardigan I just got in the last vlog as in case it for some reason gets chilly at night and we're sitting outside. I feel like this is a good summer sweater. Also an old find, but I think these are perfect. The heeled little flip-flop wedges, and then also maybe these just because I love doing the mixed like snake print with polka dots or stripes or whatever. I think is so cute. I've done that a million times before, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Also tempted to bring this bad boy out, which I had in my styling video. Super dainty dress. This is also this plain little black dress that I got from St. Agni. Simple. It's like a little tight around my hips, which is a bummer. And I thought it wasn't at first, and then when I retried it on, it is. But it's still like chic and simple. For one night, so, but there's a few different like events kind of vibe, so I feel like a few outfits is necessary. We'll see how it goes. I have no idea what the crowd will be like, but I'll be with Scarlett, so it'll be fun no matter what, and we'll have a good time. And the hotel looks really nice, and I will never say no to a pool day, ever. I was journaling earlier in the day and was getting back into just straight up gratitude practice, you know, writing down things that I was just was feeling grateful for, which honestly I think is such an underrated and amazing practice, is just straight up like tapping into things you feel grateful for. But I remembered that, you know, like there was a time that I really wanted to have a little outdoor space so I could jump on my trampoline. And then I was realizing that I hadn't been really out there jumping on my trampoline very much. And I used to have that little trampoline in my apartment, and I would take it apart and put it back together and jump on it in my house. And now I have a little place to put it outside, and was really thinking about using the things that are right in front of you that you really wanted and still want. And I love this little trampoline. It's such a nice workout and so fun. It feels like being a kid. And so I was like, go outside and jump on the trampoline, girl. Like, it's outside just waiting for you. And that was my little reminder of the day. Okay, I was gonna go to the ceramics studio earlier, and I did try to go after. Phil and he called in a fave, and I was deaf down. I deaf owed him one. He helped me. I don't know. It's a whole story. Whatever. I ran to Home Depot with him so he could get a shelf for our garage, or his garage, I guess. Their garage, my two neighbors up there, for his project, a project that he's doing in there. If I fit in the back evenly, and then we put this through the middle, like if we put it this way, upwards through the center so it goes in between, I think it'll fit.
I think you're right.
I think it'll work. Like, I think if we have it horizontal through, it'll be fine. Let's find out.
Okay, cool. Like the thumbnail?
So I did that and put that in my car. And then I went to the ceramic studio, and I couldn't find parking, and it was really busy in there, and I just got overwhelmed, and then I just drove home. I think if I can get myself up early enough in the morning, maybe I'll go over there, because I really do want to prioritize it and get back to doing it, because I need to make it worth it. But so that was the end of my night, really. And then we'll leave in the morning tomorrow. I need to just kind of tidy my house and then go to bed and finish this video. I'm sitting here editing. Haven't seen the ants in a few days. I kind of miss them. Where did those little guys go? Just don't care to show up anymore. Ooh, it's got a kick.